everyone, here is Mrs. Budzik with tips and hints for review number 10. This features least common multiple, greatest common factor, ratios, and rates. The first one, you are given the ratio 3 to 5, and then you need to see which choice is not equivalent. Remember, when you're looking for equivalent ratios, whatever you multiply or divide the top of the ratio by, you must also do that to the bottom. So I would check all the choices just like I did the first one. I looked at 3 to 5 and I said 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 2 is 10. We multiplied them both by the same number, so they are equivalent. So I would do the same thing with the other 3 ratios that you were given. You can also use cross products. Number 2. You know that in this problem, the young man earns $5 in 8 days if he does all of his chores. So if he works 48 days, you need to figure out how much he would make. Set up a proportion, put likes with likes, and go ahead and solve. Means and extremes are scaling. Number 3, you're going to find the GCF of both numbers. You can either list all the factors, or you can use factor trees. We've learned both of them this year. For number 4, you have to find the LCM. So you're going to list the multiples of both numbers like I did here. And you have to keep going until you find the smallest multiple that both 16 and 20 share. All right, we're going to number 5. The key word in the problem was we want to know the largest number of arrangements that can be made. Largest, does that mean greatest common factor or least common multiple? For number 6, you need to write and then simplify the ratio. For number 7, I would set up a proportion, 66 to 12 equals n over 100. Or you could set up a ratio table. Either way. Number 8, you want to check to see if these 2 rates are equal. So I set them both up, putting the cost on the top, the pounds on the bottom, and you can use cross products. Number 9, you need to know what's the greatest number of books that you can purchase. If you have, I believe it was $10. So set up a ratio table and see how many books you can get before you go over the $10. And for number 10, you need to see which one does not belong. So what you should do here is you are going to look at each one of the rates, and I would simplify them. Simplify them all down until you can't to see which rate does not equal the other 3. Good luck. I will also type these up on Google Classroom, and I will post this on Google Classroom, and this one's a little bit tricky, so take your time. Good luck, everybody.